Welcome back to the vlog, everyone. We are here in the Pacific Northwest under very poor air conditions. Right now it's very, very smoky here at the moment, but we have a task at hand. Today we're going to explore what it's like to tow a trailer with a Raptor. I actually have to move my girlfriend up from Central Oregon up to the city near Portland, and this seems like a good opportunity to test out the Raptor's ability to tow a trailer. So we're going to get a trailer from U-Haul, and then we're going to go load it up with her stuff and then start the trip back. We have to kind of take a long way to get there because there's a lot of road closures going on right now. So this ought to be an interesting truck venture. But we're going to hop in the truck. We got to go pick up Nick, and then we're going to head out to Central Oregon to start this move and test out the Raptor's ability to tow a trailer.
Sunglasses.
Hey, sunshine. Okay, we are about halfway to our destination here in the mountain pass over Mount Hood, and well, it's super smoky. And well, we decided to take the caps off of the KC rack just in case it gets too bad on the way out, and we might need extra light to pierce through, well, the smoke. So with that, we're gonna get back on the road and get to our destination.
And just for those of you who are wondering how effective the KCs are, this is the middle of the day. And yeah, we can actually see road signs now, because before it's all just a giant haze. This at least gives us enough visibility to, you know, see objects coming at us and let them see us. As you can see from traffic coming at us, you can't really tell they're there until they're on top of you.
All right, we are still driving. It is very smoky out, but the KC lights do help, especially seeing road signs, and I think probably other drivers can tell that we are
Hazard
here.
reported ahead.
Thanks, man.
Reminds me of Gotham City.
But yeah, here we go. Driving along.
And we just got passed by a Buick.
Yeah. I'm not in a hurry.
Yeah, we're definitely going to want to set the levels a little better. They're kind of peaky. I'm getting a lot of peaks in the headphones, but that could just be the headphones, so we'll find out. P.S. This has also been a test of the...
Oh yeah. You love the mics. We got love mics.
We got love mics.
Mics. Yes.
Love mic.
Yeah, just testing that out. See how it works. My mic's over here.
Yep, but I'm not using that right. We're back on boom mic.
Oh, okay, that's right.
So where are we now, Brad?
We just pretty much entered, well, we're in Richmond? Redmond, that's it. We're now in Redmond, Oregon. We're very close to where we need to be. We're actually heading to a place called Sisters, and then we're gonna, from there, go to Bend to pick up a trailer, and then head on back to the city.
Turn right.
After we load it. Okay, here comes the next phase of the operation, getting trailered up. So we are here at the U-Haul place to get a trailer attached to the Raptor to prove that yes, Raptors can tow trailers. How about that? Here is the one we're doing. It's the 6x12 footer. Small move. And this should be interesting. Let's get going. Another thing to point out is I know in factory suspension trucks, this will squat quite a bit when you throw a trailer on there, especially a weighted trailer. I do have the Icon leaf springs in here as well as bump stops. So the squat effect of this truck, even with the rack on plus the trailer is not that bad.
Brakes are working. Left's good. Right's good. Go ahead and turn on your trailer lights as well.
You want to talk about your artwork over there? Nice artwork. And Nick's seen better days.
Yep, that's all right. What's the plan? What do we need to do?
We're almost ready to pack and just get out.
Okay. What do you need me to do?
Continue to lay there for now.
Okay.
Okay, checking on the sag of the Raptor. It's really not that bad compared to what you'd think a Raptor would sag like with this weight on it, and what I've seen some other Raptors do, especially those on stock suspension. So again, this is the Icon leaf springs set to stage 2. I also have the bump stops in there, the SVC bump stops, and I checked the bump stop just to see where it was sitting, and it's not touching the plate at this point, so that's great. Pretty good clearance, not a lot of sag, a little bit, and then the bed's pretty loaded with stuff as well. So between the trailer and the bed, pretty good. So not a lot of concern there for sag. I know these trucks aren't 100% designed to tow things, that they can do it, and we're going to see how easy that is when I drive back with a full trailer, probably 3-hour drive home. Okay, we are all ready to move and go. We got everything packed up, and this traveling teacher is about to find a new home, so moving up to the city from Central Oregon. So we're going to close everything up and then get on the way. If you are experiencing trailer sway, slow down, go to safe spot, reposition heavy cargo in front. That would be tongue weight. Okay, speaking of tongue weight, here's Nick.
Yeah, that should all stay in place. See if I can do this without getting my fingers caught. Nice. Problem solved.
We have a monumentous occasion about to happen. We're about to cross 40,000 miles in this truck. Now, when I bought the truck 2 years ago, I basically owned this truck for 2 years and a month because I bought it in August of 2018. It had about 4,000 miles on it because it was a fleet vehicle for the dealership. I got a decent deal on it when I bought it at the time, but yeah, 40,000 miles we're about to cross. So I've done about 36,000 of those 40,000 miles, and that includes traveling to 9 states. It also includes my sabbatical where I did an overland adventure road trip of 12,000 miles, camping under the stars, having a good fun time. Lots of different truck ventures along the way. Now, also in that time of ownership, I've only actually been driving it for about 18 months of those 24 months because my job had me traveling a lot internationally and domestically. So I was overseas to Asia, Singapore, the Maldives, and then also to the Middle East a lot. And I did do a 3-month stay domestically in Los Angeles for work as well. So 18 months of ownership driving it, and 40,000 miles. In the comments below, let me know if you think that's a lot for a Raptor, a 2018 Raptor, and 18 months of ownership, or am I right on par, or if you think I can do more. And we have officially achieved 40,000 miles in the Raptor. Okay, so now we're going to talk a little bit about towing and gas mileage. We just stopped for gas to fill up. But, okay, the trailer we have is a rental. It's kind of beyond heavy in terms of its size for what it is, but it's got a light load in it. So altogether, it's probably about 3,500 pounds of what we're towing back there in that trailer, which is pretty small load for a trailer. You can do a lot more. This truck is capable of doing 8,000 pounds. So I have about half of what it's capable of on the truck. Now, I just drove 2.5 hours from Bend, Oregon, over Mount Hood into the city, Portland, and it did fine. I had no problems with the trailer fighting me over windy roads, going at speed limit. It would be interesting to see what this truck could tow, how it would behave at its capacity. But with what we've got on it right now, absolutely no problems. There's not even a problem in bed sag or anything right now, as we kind of discussed a little bit in the another part of this video. As far as gas mileage goes, I normally get about 15 to 16 miles per gallon in overland mode with the rack and everything, and I've got meaty, off-road tires on this thing and everything, going down the highway, doing long haul stuff. With the trailer, I've been getting 14 miles per gallon, over 165 miles in the last 2.5 hours. So 14 miles per gallon, towing 3,500 pounds with stuff in the bed, normally get 15, 16. That's probably pretty expected. So there you go. That's a little recap of what this trailer is and how much weight we're towing, plus gas mileage. Okay, we are at the end of our adventure for today. We drove 3 hours out to Bend, Oregon, and 3 hours back. Moved my girlfriend into her new apartment, which is great. And now we are returning the U-Haul trailer. It was a good experiment. Kind of a fun trip in the grand scheme of things. And with that, if you like this content, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.